Welcome back. It's day 20 of my fitness journey. It's Friday. It's the last workout of this month. And I gotta tell you, come here, you. Come here, you. Let me introduce you to my Annie girl real quick. She loves it when I work out. She wants to work out with me. She's a fat cat and she needs to get some exercise too. So, ain't that right, baby? You're a fat cat, huh? You too purring loud. All right, you go chase a mouse or something and let me do my exercises. Go on, go chase a mouse or something, you silly. Daddy got to do his exercises. Go chase a mouse or something. All right, this is my third and final workout of the day. I've already done 2. I am spent. And I got a late start this morning. I'm not feeling good. But that's no excuse not to do my exercises. I did my first set. I almost puked. I rested for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. I did my second set. I pushed through that. It was very difficult. I have to do my third set now. And the determination to complete all 3 sets of exercises, that's probably why I am so spent this week. It's not, I don't think it was anything I ate. I think it's just that I'm pushing myself way harder than anyone else could ever push me. So I've got to do this final set. I don't know if I can do the full set. We'll see. I've been working on my thumb again. I have to do this in between every set because if I don't, I can't do the set. I have to keep that. During the day, I don't care. That thumb can just stay stiff during the day because I can throttle my bike like this. I don't even have to wrap my hand around the throttle. I can just throttle it like this while I'm out working. I do windshield chip repairs. I've told you that before. I use my motorcycle for my business. So I show up at a customer's house on my motorcycle. I stand next to their car. I do a windshield chip. Then I get on my motorcycle. I ride to the next job. I stand next to their car. That's not exercise in my opinion. I love my bike. Don't get me wrong. But that's not exercise. That's no different than driving. My legs are really weak this morning. I don't know for a fact that I'm going to be able to do the squats. We're going to find out. Let's get started, shall we? I already did 2 sets of squats. I don't know if I can do the third set. Oh, that hand. That's the wrong position. There we go. That's better. You can tell I'm slowing down. Come on. 9. One more. Come on. Get up there. Oh. Snap, crackle, pop. My shoulders just popped. I know I make the first set look easy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. One more. Come on. You can do it. Oh. Do the shrugs. You'll notice my left shoulder, which is your right, that's 3, 4, 5, comes up higher than my right shoulder. That's because that's 6, 8, 9, 10, 10. Okay. This shoulder just has a torn rotator cuff. It's fine. This shoulder has been busted and pushed down. That bone in there was broke and it pushed my shoulder down. So you'll notice this shoulder sits lower than this shoulder. When I do my crunches, this shoulder comes up higher than this shoulder. But I'm still working the same muscles. You'll notice when I do my behind the head lift like this, it kind of comes off to this side. Because this shoulder sits lower, it pulls me this way. I have injuries that I'm working around. I'm doing what I can. And I know by the end of this 90 days, 60 days to go from today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Watch my journey. My journey's not going to end at 90 days. That's just the first push. If I can get through the 90 days, I'll push myself even harder to go another 90 days. And so on. And to continue to improve. Remember, this is my first 90 days. I feel like I've lost another inch off my gut. I'm not going to measure it until after the weekend. I'll put the measurements and everything and my weight and all that up on the board on Monday, the beginning of June. Have to rest for a minute. This third set is really trying me today. Oh, cramp. Come on, work through the cramp. Come on. I think that was 10. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. Fuck, that hurt. Sorry about my language. Oh. Oh. Okay. That was a major cramp. I told you I'm pushing myself harder than anybody else ever could. So, oh, that's better. That was in the shoulder, not the tricep. That was up here in the shoulder. The shoulder cramped up on me. Anyway, have to do my lats and my bends and squats, right? I did the presses, curl, the shrugs. I just did the triceps. I got to do my lats and my bends and squats. And then I'm done for the week. And oh my God, and am I so happy to be done for the week. This reminds me of when I would go back to work. I was an arborist, so I used to climb trees, drag branches, throw wood all day, sling chainsaws. I didn't get a lot of work in the wintertime. So I was pretty sedentary for about 3 months. And when I started working again, I would have to put on all my gear and climb that tree and hang from a rope and get out on those limbs and trim those limbs with a chainsaw, holding the chainsaw out here with one hand, one or the other, holding the chainsaw. I'd have to use a long pole pruner. And when I came down out of the tree, I had to drag branches to the truck and throw those on. I had to pick up heavy wood and throw that on the truck. And the first month killed me. And that was only after being sedentary for like 3 months. I've been sedentary now for 10 years. Doing this workout for my first month. Luckily, I thought about this morning. I'm sure glad I don't have to do this all day every day. I'm glad I'm only doing it for like an hour in the morning. Like I said, I got a late start this morning. It's almost noon, but it's pouring down rain. I can't go out and work anyway, so I got a late start this morning, and that's okay. Let's see, lat pulls and then bends and squats. Okay, let's set that down for a minute. My arms are just rubber, guys. It's hard for me to hold on to those weights. Remember, this is my first week of doing this particular exercise regimen. Before that, I was doing, well, you've seen the videos. If you haven't seen the videos yet, go to my channel, click on the playlist, and watch from the beginning so you can see the progression. Like I said yesterday, anybody can generate AI images of themselves to make themselves look excessively obese and then show themselves all trim and fit and looking great. That's why I'm doing these videos in real time. There's so much AI fraud out there. People trying to take advantage of people that are desperate to lose fat, people that are desperate to get in shape. And you have all these people creating these AI images and things, pretending that they used to be excessively obese or whatever. That's not to say some of them weren't. But there's so much fraud out there now, it's impossible to tell who's telling the truth. Especially when they're trying to sell you a program or sell you some nutritional supplement or sell you some pre-workout or post-workout or whatever the case may be. I will never, I don't care how good a shape I get in, I will never try to sell you some program or some supplement or some garbage. There's no miracle fix. You have to put in the work. Let me get these bends and squats done. One. Remember, when I set them down, that's the end of that first lift. 1, 2, 2, 3. Oh, that burns my legs. 3, 4. Remember, I just doubled up on these this week. 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and the final 10. So yes, I count lifting that as 1. So you'll notice I bend over, that's 1, like that, right? Well, when I first pick them up, I go 1, and when I set them down at the end, that's the bend over. So that's the full, you know what I mean. I don't have to justify myself. You see what I'm doing. If you're a troll, you'll talk about how I'm cheating and everything else. If you're a real person, you'll understand what I'm doing. That's it, guys. I don't really have anything else to say today. I am shaking. I am worn out. Thank goodness this week is over. I'm looking forward to resting for the weekend. I have a new mic coming. I don't know when it's going to get here. But this mic makes weird noises. Like I'll go to do a lift and the mic will go whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know why, but I don't like it. So I have a new mic coming. I don't know if it'll be here next week or the following week, but it will eventually get here. I hope everybody has an amazing weekend. Please hit the subscribe button, click the like button, share the videos, throw me some love. And I will see you on Monday, and we'll start our June workout month 2. See you Monday.